Hello and welcome to my virtual classroom. Today we're going to be looking at an example about creating and describing a stem plot given a set of data. This problem we're going to be working on is problem 49 in our textbook, Practice of Statistics, 5th edition. And it is on page 43 in the section 1.2 exercises. Alright, so here we go. Do women study more than men? Excellent. We asked the students in a large first-year college class how many minutes they studied in a typical weeknight. Here are the responses of random samples of 30 women and 30 men. 30 of each. That could be helpful later. All right, and here's all of our numbers. Woohoo! 30 numbers and 30 numbers. All right. So we can answer question A here before we do our we create our back-to-back stem plot, which is what is being requested of us for this example. It says examine the data. Why are you not surprised that most responses are multiples of 10 minutes? Are there any responses you consider suspicious? Right. Let's answer this question. Here's what we got. It is typical for people to round to 10-minute or even 30 to 60-minute increments when estimating time. The values of 300 and 600 minutes seem a bit high, like 5 to 6 hours a night. Also, the 0 seems odd. We've answered question 1. Now we need to make the back-to-back stem plot to compare the two samples. Once again, this is going to be made easier if we can sort the data first. If I go through and I'm just checking numbers and trying to add them into the plot one by one and trying to make sure I don't miss any, it can get quite confusing. The better option is to put the data into your calculator. I've gone for the method of just doing 2 separate lists in the calculator, and then have the calculator sort them in ascending order or from smallest to largest. So we've got my calculator up here again. We're going to go to Stat. Right here, hit Enter. And list 2 and 3 are my data sets for this example. I've entered in all the data already. So now I need to sort these in ascending order. So I will again go to Stat. Click down 1 and hit Sort. I'm going to sort list 2. Excellent. And then to save time, I'm going to hit Enter again so it repeats the same command. Oops, don't want to sort list 2 again. I just need to copy this. So if I highlight it and hit Enter, it's going to put it in there. And I can replace this. Delete. And second, list 3. Close my parentheses. Enter. Sweet. Now list 3 has been sorted. And go back in to my lists. Nice and in order. Excellent. This will make creating my stem plot much easier. I will be able to list things just from top to bottom as they come up. So I'm going to move my calculator off to the side and fill in my stem plot. I put the women's table in first, so I'm going to list those first, and then I'll go into the men's side of the stem plot, and then I'll explain how the stem and leaves are working in this example. So here we go. All right, so now we have my back-to-back stem plot that is using split stems. All right, so the first 0 gets numbers 0 to 4, second 0 gets numbers 5 to 9. All right, the first one 0 to 4 leaves, second one 5 to 9 leaves, and so on. All right, and in our key it says that 2, 3. so the 2 here, the 3, equals 230 minutes. So basically you make the number and then multiply by 10. And that's how this stem and leaf plot is working. Right? So in the first entry here at 0, 0 minutes. 0, 3 is 3 times 10 is 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. 50, 0, 5, right? 50 minutes, 60, 60, 60, 80, 90, 90, 90, right? And so on. Then 1, 0 is 10 times 10, 100 minutes. Right? 120 minutes a bunch of times, 150, 150, 180, 200, and so on. So that's how we can read this. Put the numbers together, stem and leaf, and then multiply by 10. Right? Now we need to answer, does it appear that women study more than men? We haven't been asked to describe this distribution. We don't need to do the shape, center, spread, and all that. It's just asking us to answer a question. Right? Does it appear that women study more than men? At least claim that they do. Justify your answer. So, let's put together an answer here based on our data. So it appears that women do study more than men, based on this sample. The median or midpoint for women was approximately 175 minutes, and for men, the median is only 120 minutes. And again, we can find that information in the calculator by calculating our summary statistics. And that is the end of this example. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please be sure to email me and let me know. Other than that, have a great day. Goodbye.